As a follow-up to my Obi-Wan 3D printed saber, this is the Luke Return of the Jedi Hero 3D printed saber. Again, this is another very well reproduced item. This kit is phenomenal as far as getting all the proportions correct, the details. As an example, the control box, the rings here, the spacing, everything looks like it should be. And any uh, errors and faults in the representation that you see here are my own fault, and I lack the experience in working with PLA, which is what this kit is printed in. But as far as the kit itself, it's again, it's a beautiful, beautiful kit, and I can't say enough about it. This saber is not one of my favorites, but the fact that it echoes the Obi-Wan saber is the reason that I got it. And as most of you probably know, the Luke Return of the Jedi saber was the stunt saber used by Alec Guinness in the original Star Wars. And I know the some of the other sabers got more screen time than this one, but like the version 2 and the version 3. But even so, again, I like it because it echoes the Obi-Wan saber. And I've got to say, these are really fun to work with, to build, put together, and paint. This one required a little more cleanup than my Obi-Wan did, but again, even so, just a little bit of sandpaper and some patience, and you can get it to look like a nice representation of the saber.